Steve, and today we're doing a how-to session, and it's a how-to clean the Fargo HDP 8500 retransfer printer. And before we get started with that, I'm also going to have our usual bad photo ID of the day before we're done with this. And before we get started though, I want to talk a little bit about the HDP 8500. It's a high production machine designed to run 24/7. Comes with USB and Ethernet connections, and it also comes as dual-sided. You can print single-sided or dual-sided, so it's all set to go either way. It's such a robust machine that it has a 3-year warranty, and it's made out of stamped steel, the whole thing. It's not plastic. This is all steel, so it's a very solid printer. It's built like a tank, and it has a lifetime warranty on the print head, so you'll never have to buy another print head again. And the reason is it does retransfer printing. It doesn't print directly to the card. It prints on a transfer film that's placed onto the card, and because of that process, the life of the print head is not in jeopardy. It doesn't hit any debris or anything that could be on the card. And it also has a low cost of consumables, so when you're doing a high volume of cards, this would be the printer you'd want to select for that. So those are some of the features, and now we're going to show you how to clean the printer, and we have Kyle, our guest host from our tech department, to show us how to clean this particular printer.
Thanks, Steve. So today we're just going to review on how to clean the printer. It's very simple to do. All the commands are on the front touch screen of the printer here. All you need to do is load the cleaning cards that the printer comes with into one of the card hoppers. The printer will find it. Just make sure that there are no other cards in there other than the specified cleaning card. All you'll do is there's a folder button on this touch screen. Go ahead and press that. It comes up with some more icons. Go ahead and push your tools icon, and you'll see clean printer. You just go ahead and click on that. It'll go to find cards and go to clean the printer. I can't clean it right now as I have an alcohol saturated card, and that will probably catch fire if we went ahead and did this, because these rollers in here that transfer your image get really hot, and heat and alcohol do not mix. So I'm gonna head and just avoid the cleaning right now, and I would recommend doing this on startup. That way you don't have to wait for the printer to cool down, which can take anywhere from a half an hour to an hour, sometimes more. So try to clean it when you turn it on if you have to, and just remember to keep your PVC cards out of the card hoppers when you clean it, and insert your cleaning cards.
All right, thanks Kyle. And as promised, the bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that scary photo, if you have any questions, submit it to us on our Facebook page, on our website, www.idedge.com, or you can call us at 800-798-3343. If we use your question on the show, we'll send you a gift. Thanks.